Hello, my name is Christine Allred, and I'm the teacher for the online Earth and Environmental Sciences. Welcome to my website. There's a lot of important information on this site, so please make sure that you kind of click through all the different tabs and look through everything. But there's a few things that I would like to highlight for you. First, please make sure that you look at the course calendar. For important dates, there's due dates on there, but there's also final exams that are on there. Final exams are in person at Barry Goldwater, so you want to make sure that you've scheduled that time and you know when you're going to come and take your finals. When you're communicating with me once the class is opened, please make sure that you're always doing that through the Canvas messaging system and never through the comments of an assignment. I won't see those comments until I go to grade, and so if you have a question about the assignment, you want to make sure that I see that ahead of time. So please make sure that you're using the Canvas messaging system. For my parents out there, I need you to make sure that you sign up as an observer in the course. There are directions for how to do that on the Parent tab on my website. This will give you access to everything that your student is doing in the course, so not just looking at their grades, but also you can see the actual assignments that they're turning in and the assignments that they're being asked to do. Students, there's an introductory module at the beginning of the course. This is required. You have to get 100% in the module in order for the rest of your coursework to open. So please make sure that you are looking through that module and that you're completing it on the first day so that the rest of your work will open and you can jump into the rest of the course right away. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will look forward to seeing you in class.